Another significant enhancement to Surfcam 2022.1 is the new Microsoft SQL-based tooling database. The Microsoft SQL Express is installed by default. Now, this new database structure allows some significant enhancements. This new database structure allows tooling information to be available to Surfcam 2022.1 and future versions without the need to transfer data from one version to another. The increased functionality of the tool library will allow enhanced usage by toolpath generators and has the ability to support tool holder information coming in future releases. Now, to take advantage of the new database with its speed, reliability, and increased functionality, a simplified transfer and update application has been developed. Let's take a look at how to use the new application. After the installation of Surfcam 2022.1 is complete, select the Surfcam tool library from the Start menu. There you'll be presented with two options. We suggest that the majority of Surfcam users select the Import the Active Surfcam Tool Library button. And unless you're an IT professional, the default information in the dialog will be the best choice, and you can select Connect. The application will present a list of the currently installed Surfcam versions. Select the version of Surfcam that you would like to import the tooling data from. In this case, we'll go ahead and highlight Surfcam 2022.0 and then select. A dialog will be presented with the data from the previous version shown along with the new Surfcam_V1 database. Now, for most users, bringing your data forward from a previous version and update to the new functionality, you simply choose Overwrite All. If you had added tooling in a previous version, this option will overwrite the default tooling data in Surfcam 2022.1 with your customized tooling information. In just a few seconds, your tooling information will be transferred, updated, and ready for use. You can now choose Close and then close once again to exit the application.